And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set permissions in Google Drive. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to set permissions in Google Drive, then you need to simply go to Google Drive. Once you've done this, you need to tap on the three dots and then you need to simply tap on manage access. Once you have tapped on manage access, you can simply tap on the particular restricted or any one of the link option once you have given the access to that particular person. Now if I am going to add someone, then I need to tap on the add section. Then you need to simply type in the email address of that particular person, and once you have typed in the email address, you can select the option called viewer, commenter, or editor. If you're giving the option of viewer, then that person can only view. If you are writing commenter, then that person can comment on your docs. And if you are giving the permission of editor, then that person can even edit your files. So this way you can set permissions in your Google Drive. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.